Alam nyo ba na sa category ng pickup, isa to sa pinaka-comfiest. I got you ulit. So this is the 2019 Nissan Navara EL automatic transmission. Exterior wise, fresh original paint at accessories from Shopee yan. Auto retractable side mirrors, 18 inches alloy wheels, makakapalang tires at sa harap, LED headlight, fog lamps, by day running light at functional grille para sa intercooler turbo at 3 ang ending. At sa pinakalikod, by metal bracket, iconic na batang umiihi, may top lid cover at naka aero class na bed liner, may rear camera at may rear stepboard. At sa engine naman niya, it's a 2.5 liter 4-cylinder turbocharged automatic transmission diesel engine. At napakatibay nitong makina na to at syempre marami siyang available na parts. At syempre sa fuel consumption, matipid. At dito sa loob, intact na headliner, fresh fabric seats at maayos na steering wheel, analog and digital display with 47,000 kilometers on the clock only, well-designed na dashboard, may 360 camera, infotainment system, climate control, USB ports, automatic transmission, 2 cup holders, at center console. At sa second row, okay ang leg, shoulder, and headroom. 6 foot ang height ko. Meron siyang 2 air vents dito at weird na cup holders dito. At kung usapang reliability at practicality naman, hindi magpapatalo to. For only 895,000 pesos, mauuwi mo na to. Open to for cash, trade-in and financing. Kaya tumawag ka na, reserve mo na to. Peace out.